Hello guys, it's Dan here from FRZ Trading. Today we are going to show you how you can use the TDI indicator on the MT4 mobile app. If you are a forex trader who uses indicators, then you would probably have used the so-called Trader's Dynamic Index Indicator, or simply TDI indicator, which is a popular tool to find reversal points. Usually, TDI line crosses above 68 and below 32 levels are considered to be high probability reversal points, which you can use as the main entry signal as well as a confirmation signal among others. TDI indicator is in fact a mixture of moving averages, RSI, and Bollinger Bands indicator. However, if you trade on the MT4 mobile app, then there's no way you can use TDI indicator, as the MT4 mobile app does not have this indicator by default. And on the other hand, native desktop MT4 indicators do not work on the mobile app. So today we are going to show you a workaround where we use moving averages, RSI, and Bollinger Bands indicator on the mobile app to make the TDI indicator. Let's get started. First, go to your MT4 mobile app. Please note you can change the colors of the mobile app via settings and colors. This is similar to the options you find under MT4 chart properties. Now first, you need to add the RSI to your MT4 mobile. This indicator only serves us to show the key levels on the TDI like 68, 32, and 50. Therefore, make sure you match the line color to the app background color so that the actual RSI line is not visible. Since my app background is black, I select black and most importantly set the levels as 68, 32, and 50 in white color. Now you will see the levels of the TDI indicator we are going to create. Now we add a moving average indicator with the period of 2 and on the previous indicator data. Line size will be 4 pixels and color will be green. Then you will see the green line on our TDI indicator. Now, we are going to add the red line, which is also a moving average. This is a 7-period MA line in red, while other settings are the same as the previous MA line. Now, we can see both the red and green lines on our TDI indicator. Now is the time to add the Bollinger Bands. We add the Bollinger Bands with period 34 using first indicator data. Line color will be blue and the line size will be 1 pixel. Now, you can see our TDI indicator bands in blue. The last step is to add the yellow line. This is just another MA line of period 34. Let's add it using the first indicator data with a blue line of 4 pixels. Now, it's all done. You can now see the TDI indicator on your MT4 mobile app, just like on your MT4 desktop app. Now, this indicator will be available on any charts you open on your MT4 mobile app. That's all for today, and thank you for watching. If you like to see more similar videos, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.